don't have a flywheel toolkit to punch the shaft in, not a problem. Just use a 9/16 socket bit from a ratchet and a ratchet socket bit extender. Place it over the top of the shaft and whip out your hammer. Now that I'm using a dead blow hammer, it just speeds up the process. And then you can take your 9/16 Tainer ring and you can place it top. You can reuse it, but normally it's meant for one use only, but I'm using it just because I don't want to bother kind of swapping it out. Place it over the top of the shaft and do the same thing. Alright, and that's it. You have to put in your switch housing back on.